Today I am going to speak about the culture, Indian culture and Western culture. You know that Indian culture is one of the oldest culture on this planet, and the culture which is followed in India is called Indian culture, and the culture which is followed in Western countries is it is called Western culture. For example, you know that America, USA, that Spain and French, in this country we call these are all Western countries. Okay, countries. So the first one I'm going to talk about, and that is Indian culture. Okay, so India is a diversified country. Okay, so many caste, creed, and religions are there. Every in India, so many states are there. So in every state has their own that outfit, apparel, and also the food is very different, and the apparel and so many things are there, right? So like that, India is a diversified country. So the next one is guest. Yeah. In India, the guests are considered as the god. So whenever the guest comes at home, so we treat them like a god. So the next point is Vasudev Kutumbakam. So Vasudev Kutumbakam means the Indian people believe the whole world is one family. Okay. So that's why when the Swami Vivekananda had gone to America, so when he was giving the speech in Chicago, at that time he started his speech, he embarked his speech with my American brothers and sisters. When the American people heard this, they got up from their seat and they started clapping and applauded for Narendra means Swami Vivekananda. Okay. So the next one is about the clothes. Yeah, clothes or that outfit. So traditional outfit. The Indian states they have that traditional outfit. Like if you talk about the in Maharashtra, so Maharashtrian people earlier they used to wear dhoti, coat and white color topi. It is called that Gandhi topi. If we talk about the South, then South people wear that lungi, white color lungi, shirt, and they put that shawl on their shoulder. So this is the South Indian people outfit. So like that in Indian women they wear sari. Right? So this is also the type of that that is a part of that culture. Okay. So the next one is Indian people believe in savings. Yes, because whenever some any obstacles and any disaster comes, so that saving helps us, like the recently or still we have been facing, right, this corona pandemic. So in such situations that saving can help us. Like the same next one is arranged marriages. Yeah. So Indian people, bunch of the people, or we can say that the majority of people, they prefer arranged marriage. Yes. So that's why we can see so many arranged marriages happen in India. Okay. So the next one is festivals. Yeah. So as I told you that India is a diversified country, so that's why so many caste and religions are there, right? Creed there. So that's why in every country, no, in that every state, they celebrate so many festivals. In India, mostly we celebrate that the Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Rang Panchami, Gudi Padwa, and so many festivals. Ganesh festivals is also there. So many festivals we celebrate in India. So now I'm going to talk about the Western culture. Yes, the Western culture has not much a very big history. Okay, the only 150 years and 200 years history the India and the Western culture has. So first I'm going to talk about the Western cultures that the that religions. In Western culture, the only one or two religions are there. It means the Christian and Judaism. Yes, so all people they believe in that Christianity and Judaism only. So the next one is English language. Yeah, the English language is the widely spoken language in all that Western countries, followed by Spain and that French and Spanish. Okay, so the next one is the Western people are very open-minded people. Yes. So whenever they enter in their even children's house, say before entering the their room, they knock first. So this is also one of the very good quality the Western people have. So next one is in a Western culture there is no any that traditional outfit. So there is no any discrimination. The discrimination, or we can say that there is no distinguish that woman has to wear only this dress and that man has to wear this one. Like no, so every woman and man can wear the jeans pant and t-shirt and some other dresses like suit and that all. Okay, so there is no any tradition, outfit tradition. So the next one is they don't believe in saving. So whatever the money they earn, they just spend that money and they can try to be happy. Yes. So next one is love marriages. Love marriages are common in Western culture, in Western city, in countries. Christmas, yeah. If you talk about the festivals, then Christmas is the only one, that festival we can say. Okay, they celebrate there. So this is all about the Western culture. So that Indian culture and Western culture, they both have advantages and disadvantages. So whatever the good things have about that Western culture, so we have to learn that because we are in India, so we know well about the Indian culture. So what exactly the good thing about the Western culture? So we have to learn that only those things. What are the bad things? We have to not pay attention to those. Okay.